Hello and welcome back to It Yours Lovely. So as you all know, the festive season has started. I have come up with this very quick and easy Indian festive makeup tutorial video in which you will learn or you will see how to get this glamorous Indian festive eyes with the bold lips. So I think without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
So first of all, make sure that your face is nice and clean and then spray some rose water on it. So basically I have uploaded a lot of festive looks on my channel, but this is an updated or Diwali kind of edition. Now after the rose water is properly soaked into your skin, move on to second step, which is aloe vera gel. We will apply some aloe vera gel on our face and create a nice base. So this will help your makeup to stay on for a longer time onto your face. Moving on to the third step, we are going to use the Glow Exceller. It is from My Glamm. So we are going to use this to create a nice dewy base or to give your face a nice glowy finish. After that, we are going to use the Maybelline Master Prime Primer and going to prime our face very well. The next step is foundation. For this, I'm again using the Maybelline product. It is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm just taking the small amount of it and I'm also going to use a brush to apply it. So first of all, I'm going to dab it on my skin and then blend it with the brush. So trust me, I have used Beauty Blender and I have used brush, but I feel that the brush gives you the best results. So I am always on for a brush. After blending everything well, it's time to powder pack. For that, I'm going to use a compact from My Glamm. Apply the powder on your face wherever it is necessary, just don't apply too much. And then we are going to move on to the blush. It is again from My Glamm K-Play and this is how the blush looks like. It just gives you the natural kind of finish and I love it. After this, we are going to move on to contouring or bronzing, and for this again I'm going to use a My Glamm product. It is a Pose HD bronzer and this again gives you a natural face cutting. Moving on to the eye part, starting with the brows, again My Glamm brow powder. So I'm just going to apply it with this brow brush and then blend it with an old mascara brush or a spoolie. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24K Nudes eyeshadow palette, and from this I'm going to use this golden shade, like it is a brownish golden. So first I'm going to apply it on my crease and then for my inner corners I'm going to use a lightish golden shade. Now we'll apply a darker shade on the outer corner of our eye to create a glamorous smoky eye kind of look. Now just some final corrections with the concealer, or you can also use your compact powder for that. We'll be filling in the shimmery golden shade in the inner corners of our eye on the lower lash line also, and then we are going to apply some white kajal on our waterline.
So
So now we are going to do a winged eyeliner. By the way, I already have a eyeliner tutorial uploaded on my channel. So if you haven't watched it, I will mention the link in the description box. So now we are going to apply some mascara. And then a lipstick to go with the outfit. Finishing off with the Mars Wonder highlighter. I got it from Amazon and I really love how the highlighter looks on my face. Don't forget to finish your makeup by blending everything properly in, and then you're good to go. Here's how the final look turned out after adding in some accessories to the outfit. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me how much you like this video. Also give it a big fat thumbs up, share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. We will meet very soon. Until then, see you.